everyone, I am Daniel and I'm from University Kuala Lumpur. Today I will be presenting about macroeconomics based on the topic consumption functions and its key components. Okay, now we go to the first slide. The first slide is our introduction part, and now we're going to know who invented this formula and what it does to the economy. Okay, the person who made this formula first was John Maynard Keynes, and the purpose of this formula is to study about how customers spend their money and how does it impact on the economy. Okay, now we know who invented this formula for assumption function and what it does. And one more thing that you have to know. Assumption function is important to show a relationship between consumer spending and disposable income. Okay, as you can see, the next slide shows that the components for consumption formula. If you look at the equation, it says that C equals to A plus ND. And now I'm going to explain what this letter means exactly. The first one, C equals to consumer spending, A equals to autonomous consumption, M equals to marginal propensity to consume, while D means disposable income. Is income generated by household when they are paid by firms as factor of production. In other words, the household receive income from firms through their labors. Second one, autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption is independent and it does not terminate it, even if the income of household is zero. Examples of autonomous consumption will be utility bills, foods, and rent. If the household cannot pay their autonomous consumption, they will have an increase in debt and start using money from their savings. The third one is marginal propensity to consume. It's an amount which consumers use to pay for goods and services. For example, the consumer wants to buy a shoes which costs about 300 ringgit. The amount will be stated as MPC. If the consumer decided to save the money, it will be stated as marginal propensity saving. Altogether, the total amount will be 1. Okay, I will give you an example based on the equation. First, in autonomous consumption value, let's say we have a total of 2000 ringgit as utility bills. Second, in the MPC value, we use our income to buy a cat which costs about 3000 from our annual income of 6000. Lastly, we have to fill in the value for disposable income. Disposable income is the value we get from deducting all the expenses such as income tax, interest, etc. In this case, we pay for income tax which costs us about 1000. According to the equation we had done earlier, this is a graph showing consumer consumption and their disposable income. On the horizontal line, we have disposable income of 1000 ringgit, while on the vertical line, we have a total of 2000 ringgit on consumptions. Finally, the graph is outward sloping because the value of consumption is 2500 ringgit. Alright, that will be the end of my presentation. I hope you learned something new from me. If you have any comments, please leave some feedbacks in the comment box below. And thank you for taking your time to listen to my presentation.